This pandemic taught humans all over the world a lesson which no one could forget their entire life. That is, the only important thing is to live. And it literally doesn't matter you have anything else or not. This video has an important message, so please watch this video till end. Hello everyone, welcome to Canadian Desi Chef. This is the second video of Coronavirus Immunity Booster series and Heal Through Food. Low immune system is one of the biggest problems worldwide. I won't say to like this video or subscribe this channel in this video, but please do share the video on this playlist and let's help each other and make this planet a better place to live. Today we are making delicious coriander or cilantro chutney for whole family, which should be a part of your daily diet due to its tangy, fresh taste and moreover medicinal properties. Please do not substitute any ingredient except green chilies. You can completely omit it as well and replace it with freshly cracked black pepper. Let's start making it. Take fresh coriander, wash it, remove the end part of the stem, about half an inch only, and air dry it. Now just roughly cut the coriander into 3 to 4 parts. Add about 90% of cilantro in a mixing jar, then add green chilies according to your preference. Then add black Himalayan salt, asafoetida, white rock salt, cumin seeds, jaggery powder, also known as shakkar in Hindi, and raw mango powder, which is also called as amchur in Hindi. Add half cup of water and blend it in a paste-like consistency. It will be little grainy, so do not over mix it. Add plain yogurt and blend it for 2 seconds. Yogurt has to mix with the paste evenly. Do not over mix it as well. It should taste like a flavor bomb. If you want to find more information on this chutney, you can find it in description box, as this video is too small to provide all the details. Thank you so much for watching this video. I will be bringing more and more immunity booster recipes so that you have an option and you can choose which suits you the best. All recipes are medicine if you eat it in moderation only. We'll meet you soon in another video. Till then, keep learning and help others to learn and grow. Bye bye. Take care.